Nail art is so much fun. It's a way to show off your personality. You can be bold or simple. You can even match your nails to your outfit. It's like magic. With a little polish and some creativity, you can transform your nails into tiny works of art. Think of your nails as mini canvases. They're just waiting for your personal touch. You can paint on simple dots or go all out with intricate designs. There are no limits to what you can create. It's all about having fun and expressing your unique style. Nail art is more than just painting your nails. It's about trying new things and letting your creativity shine. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what looks best on you. You might even discover a hidden talent you never knew you had. So go ahead, grab your favorite polishes and let your imagination run wild. Ready to dive into the world of DIY nail art? It's easier than you think. With a few basic tools and a dash of creativity, you'll be creating stunning designs in no time. Here's what you'll need to get started: base coat, nail polishes, top coat, dotting tools, striping tape, tweezers, and a cleanup brush. Gather your supplies and find a comfy spot. Good lighting is key. Now let's talk about the fun part, designing your nails. We'll explore different techniques and ideas in the next section. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. Nail polish is your artistic weapon. It's a tool that allows you to express your creativity and style. Choosing the right colors and mastering application techniques can make all the difference in achieving a professional look. Let's explore the exciting world of Polish color theory, finishes, and application techniques. Understanding these elements can elevate your nail art. Learn how to combine colors like a pro. Mixing and matching shades can create stunning effects. Complementary colors create a bold contrast, making your nails stand out and catch the eye. While analogous colors offer a harmonious look, perfect for a more subtle and cohesive design. Experiment with different finishes like cream, shimmer, glitter, and matte. Each finish brings its own unique flair. Each finish adds a unique dimension to your nail art, making it more dynamic and interesting. Apply 2 thin coats of your chosen base color, letting each coat dry completely. This ensures a smooth and even application. Use your dotting tools, striping tape, or even toothpicks to create patterns, lines, or shapes. These tools can help you achieve intricate designs. Dip a cleanup brush in nail polish remover and carefully clean up any smudges around your nails. This step is crucial for a polished look. Seal your design with a glossy or matte top coat for a long-lasting finish. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Trying new things can lead to amazing discoveries. The more you play with polish, the more confident you'll become. Confidence is key to creating beautiful nail art. Want to take your nail game to the next level? Whether you're looking for added length, strength, or just a canvas for your creativity, nail extensions are the way to go. Nail extensions add length, strength, and endless possibilities for creativity. They can transform your nails into a work of art. Let's explore the different types: acrylic nails, gel nails, dip powder nails, and press-on nails. Each type offers unique benefits and styles. Acrylic nails are durable and long-lasting, created by mixing a powder and liquid monomer, then shaping the mixture onto your natural nail. They are perfect for those who want a sturdy and resilient option. Gel nails are cured under a UV or LED lamp, resulting in a glossy, chip-resistant finish. They are ideal for a sleek and polished look. They come in hard gel, which is more durable and can withstand more wear and tear, and soft gel, which is more flexible and gentle on your natural nails. Dip powder nails involve dipping your nails into colored powder and then sealing them with a special activator. This method is known for its ease and vibrant results. They're known for their strength and vibrant color payoff, making them a popular choice for those who love bold colors. For a quick and easy option, press-on nails are pre-designed and ready to apply with adhesive tabs or glue. They are perfect for a temporary yet stylish look. Each type of nail extension has its own pros and cons. It's important to weigh these factors before making a decision. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and desired look when making your choice. This will help you select the best type of nail extension for your needs. In the next section, we'll guide you through applying nail extensions at home. Stay tuned for tips and tricks to achieve salon-quality nails from the comfort of your home. Section 5. Nail Extension Application. A step-by-step guide. Ready to try nail extensions? It's an exciting way to enhance the beauty of your nails. Here's a simplified guide for at-home application, making it easy for you to achieve salon-quality results. Keep in mind that each type of extension has specific instructions, so always refer to the product instructions for best results. This ensures you get the best outcome and avoid any mishaps. First, clean your nails thoroughly. Gently push back your cuticles and lightly buff the surface of your nails. This step is crucial for a smooth application. Second, if using tips, select the right size for each nail and file them to your desired shape. Proper sizing ensures a natural look. Next, follow the product instructions to apply the extension, whether it's acrylic, gel, dip powder, or press-on. Each method has its own unique process. Then, once the extension is applied and cured, if necessary, carefully shape and file the nails to your desired length and shape. This step helps in achieving a polished look. Finally, buff any rough edges, cleanse the nail surface, and apply your chosen nail polish and top coat. This final touch adds shine and protection. Applying nail extensions at home takes practice. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't come out perfect the first time. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to start with a simpler method like press-on nails. With time, you'll get better and more confident in your skills. Section 6. Healthy nails, happy nails, essential care tips. Beautiful nails start with healthy nails. Taking care of your nails is essential for preventing breakage, promoting growth, and keeping your nails looking their best. First, wash your hands frequently and dry them thoroughly, especially after washing dishes or showering. Second, apply a cuticle oil or hand cream to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated, especially during dry weather. Third, wear gloves when doing chores involving harsh chemicals, as they can weaken and dry out your nails. Fourth, avoid using your nails to open cans, pick at things, or as tools to prevent breakage. Lastly, if you frequently wear nail polish or extensions, take breaks in between to allow your nails to breathe and recover. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to having strong, healthy nails that are ready for any nail art adventure. Section 7. Long and strong tips for nail growth. Dreaming of long, strong nails? Here are some tips to promote healthy nail growth. First, consider taking a biotin supplement, as biotin is a B vitamin that is essential for nail growth and strength. Second, drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your nails hydrated from the inside out. Third, eat a balanced diet that includes protein, iron, and other essential nutrients that support nail growth. Fourth, file your nails in one direction to prevent splitting and breakage. Avoid sawing back and forth. Lastly, massage cuticle oil into your cuticles daily to keep them moisturized and promote healthy nail growth. Remember, nail growth takes time. Be patient and consistent with your nail care routine, and you'll start to see results. One of the best things about nail art is the amazing community. Connect with fellow nail enthusiasts online and in person to share your passion, learn new techniques, and get inspired. Social media. Follow your favorite nail artists and brands on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest for endless inspiration and tutorials. Online forums and groups. Join online communities dedicated to nail art to chat with others, ask for advice, and participate in challenges. Local nail art classes. Look for nail art classes in your area to learn new techniques from experienced instructors and meet fellow enthusiasts. Nail salons. Strike up a conversation with your nail technician. They're a wealth of knowledge and can offer tips and product recommendations. Being part of the nail art community is a wonderful way to fuel your creativity, make new friends, and stay updated on the latest trends. Don't be shy. Once you've created some awesome nail art, share it with the world. Sharing your work is a great way to connect with others, get feedback, and inspire others to try nail art. Take great photos. Good lighting and a clean background can make your nail art photos pop. Use relevant hashtags. Use hashtags like #nailart, #nails of Instagram, #dmani, and more to help people discover your creations. Engage with others. Comment on other people's nail art posts, answer questions, and participate in challenges. Tag brands and artists. If you've used specific products or been inspired by a particular artist, tag them in your posts. Sharing your nail art is a fun way to celebrate your creativity and connect with a supportive community. The world of nail art is constantly evolving. New trends, colors, and techniques emerge all the time. Here's how to stay updated and keep your nail game fresh. Follow trendsetters. Keep an eye on celebrity nail artists, fashion magazines, and social media influencers to see what's hot. Explore nail art hashtags. Browse hashtags like #NailArtTrends, #NewNailArt, and #NailInspo for a constant stream of fresh ideas. Check out nail polish collections. New nail polish collections often reflect the latest color trends. Visit your favorite nail polish brands' websites or social media pages to see what's new. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different trends and see what you enjoy. You might discover a new favorite style. Staying updated on trends keeps your nail art fresh and exciting. Congratulations! You've embarked on an exciting journey into the world of nail art, nail extensions, and nail care. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and express yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Embrace the journey, connect with the community, and let your creativity shine through your fingertips.